We have a module there, week 4. So let's start solving the problems. Krishnan, do I need to share the link, or you these guys already have from last session, right?
Yeah, most of the students have already joined the teams.
Anyways, I will share the link again. Okay, guys. So the first problem, can you see it on your screens?
No, sir, it's not busy.
Week 4, problem 1. Is it? Okay, just a second.
No, sir, it's not visible.
Okay, I have published it. Refresh and check now.
Yes, sir. Now it's available.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt regarding the first point. User has read and write permission only. Which user is it referring to? Owner, group, or other user?
Okay. So let me change the word. It's owner actually, because group is other users are in the third line. Owner. Can you see the changes now?
No, sir.
So I've changed it. I don't know if you guys would have to refresh it. I have changed the first point as owner.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
It is after running, it is showing nothing. That means it is passed or any error. It is not showing any error, sir.
It shows passed. In the tests, go into the tests and run test. It should show passed. The test case is configured.
On the run, I have to run, no?
On the run, if you run, you can verify your output there, but there are test cases we have configured. For that, you have to run from the left side.
Left side. Can you show that? Where is that? Test.
Can you see there is a tick symbol?
Yes.
Click
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
So I have published the second one also. It's based on the same file. Similar problem. Whoever has completed the first one can go to the problem 2. Guys, 19 people have started, only 4 would have submitted. So if you are facing any issues or just interact, share your thought process. If you are stuck somewhere, otherwise it's the same, like we have given you some programming question and you are solving. So Jay, yeah, I will keep sharing the solutions after some time for each question on the chat, but I won't share the file until 2-3 days. Let others also try on Replit who cannot attend at the moment. Yeah, so anybody wants to talk, like where they are stuck? Only
No, test got passed. Actually, I was thinking why not /b was working.
/B.
Yeah, actually, I gave that at the end because it is the one word, because word is ending. It was not working, but after removing it's worked.
Okay. So still, so guys, firstly, what is the string that you will have to search in the file? Those who are not able to do it. Firstly, have you thought about this? Or anybody, is anybody facing the issue in this? I will just share the string on in chat.
Can you check mine? I think we have to grab this this directory structure with read, write, dash, and then read, then dash, dash, read, and then dash, dash. No? Hello.
Just a second. Yeah, your name?
Pooja.
Pooja.
Yeah.
So, yeah, guys, anybody who wants me to look, just share me the ID also and problem. Your ID and your problem.
Mine is Pooja Parikh only ID.
Pooja Parikh. Okay, and
Yeah.
problem 1.
Yeah, problem 1.
Okay. Yeah, I
I
got
did.
it.
I did in the shell. Then for shell it was listing, but when I read the file, it is failing.
Okay, so you are trying to write a script.
I use this grep command in the shell. Then it in the for shell this structure it was shown.
So this is for problem 1.
Yes,
Okay.
we can do like this, right?
Yes, you can do like this.
Unless the
While
script-
read line do. So you are trying to read line by line.
Yes.
Okay, so don't try to complicate. You don't need this at present. Okay.
Okay. Then how we will
Yeah.
do it?
Otherwise, yeah. You can just directly supply the file name in grep
File name where?
as option, last option. lsinfo.txt.
Okay, and the above 3 line I don't need.
No, you don't need this. If you didn't know this, you could have also done cat lsinfo.txt and pipe grep.
Yeah, I thought of that actually, but okay, let me try this.
I'm just
Okay, yeah, it is working. That cat one also did not work. Then I tried this thing actually.
yes.
Maybe I did some mistake there also. Okay, yeah, this is working.
Just a second. Your solution will not work. Just a second. Just give me a minute.
Pass the test.
Yeah, it passed because now it won't. Let it save. I've added one more line in the file. Now try your solution again.
Can you check mine, sir? It's passed on.
I think it's passing again.
Okay, it's
Where,
passing.
where did you add? The line number 3 you're saying?
Actually, I have added a file, added a line in the file that's not reflecting here. Oh, Krishnan, are you there?
Yeah.
But you can see it shows pass.
So do I need to, if I've changed anything, do I need to republish it? Why is it not happening?
I think yes, you have to
Yes,
redo it.
yeah.
Otherwise, I am running the old one. That's why I think.
No, just now I changed something in the MD file. It got reflected, but not here. It's not reflecting on.
Ankur, once the student forked, the instance will be same for the students. So it won't be changing. Better we should stay as it is.
Okay, let it be. So
Yeah.
what actually I added, Pooja?
Yes.
Yeah. So the problem is that suppose, okay, I can add that line in your instance itself. Now it will, for you, it will fail.
But it's passing as for now.
Yes, yes,
do I have
because
to reload it?
no, don't reload it. I have made the changes in your, yes. So I have named a file that contains this similar string as permission.
Okay. But then why should it fail? I don't get it.
Just a second. Yeah, that's what I want you to investigate.
No, but can you please explain like what did you add so that I can find out why it should fail? You mean
See,
this?
I have
this
added the last line in your file. Now your
last line?
solution is
Yes.
failing. That should
Then
not
yes,
happen.
then it should fail, I guess, because it has read, write, and read, and then again read.
Yes.
But it's passing. I don't know how.
It passed before this, right?
But now also it's passing. See, I do run test and it says
No,
pass.
no. Just go and you see the left test symbol, tests. There is
Yes.
a correct, there's a tick sign
Yeah,
there.
I'm doing that only. I'm doing that only. You see, I click on tests. I do run tests and
Oh.
it's a passed. You can try it. I think you are logged
Okay,
into
the
now.
solution match is match, not exact match. That's why it's passing. Actually, the
Okay.
problem is there's some problem with this with the configuration here. In the test case, it should have been exact match. It's just a match. That's why.
Okay. So what I write here is grep and this.
Okay, so I will tell you
correct
the
or-
problems. Everybody, please pay attention here. So this is not just about that Pooja had would have done this mistake. So what Pooja is trying to do is she is trying to search the exact string that what is desired, that is right. But what she has missed is she is not trying to search it in the from the starting of the line. So she is not using the cap symbol. So because of that, what will happen if this string is present in the file name? Suppose the string that you are searching, if it is present in the file name, then irrespective of what permissions it has, if the file name matches with the string, it will return that also. You got it, Pooja, what I am saying?
No, no, I don't get
You
it.
need to add a cap symbol in your pattern.
But sir, one thing here.
But file name where it will be like it's just like if I compare line by line, then there is it's just one occurrence is there for each file, right?
Yes.
So it will grab it from there if I give the particular structure. It will
See,
grab it from there.
see. So on the console,
uh,
on your console, can you see that there is a third file that has read, write, and read, but the actual desired is read, write, and read, right?
yes, yes.
So I'm just adding one character in your grep expression.
Mhm.
Now see, you got it. This
Okay.
will this
Yes.
will this will tell grep to search from the starting of the line.
Starting
You
of
need,
line. Okay. Otherwise, it was taking from.
it was taking anywhere in the line.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I get it.
Okay. Yeah. Somebody was saying something. Hello.
Yes, sir. Actually, here without cap also will work, and since it is that particular ls minus l command, then that particular format is only once, no? So if we think that it will also work.
So that's what I'm saying. So it is working because in our test case in the file there is no file that has the same name. That's why it is working. I'm saying the test case could be improved. In that case,
But one question is here, sir. If it can be improved, but whatever will be there, the first thing will be the permission type of thing.
yeah, first will be
Okay.
permission.
But what will happen if the inode also will come? That time it will not work at all.
Yes, if inode
So
will be there, then it won't work.
yes. So in the case, if it is the cap is not there, then it will work also that time when the inode is also there. If there is
Yes,
no cap.
yes, but the output that is in the file is output of ls minus al. If we give it as minus ali, it is specified in the question that the output is of ls minus al.
Yeah.
There is no
So
hyphen I. The option of I is not there to include the inode.
yeah. So after seeing the result, we decided to not put the cap because it's come the first time. So can you check that my solution also, because both
Yes,
case.
that's what I'm saying. If the file name is matches with your pattern, that would also return. I'm saying
Yes.
that's what I'm saying. So is your solution working?
Yes, sir, both work.
Okay. Yeah. So yes, go to the second question.
Second also done.
Second also done. Okay, nice then.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
So can I check my past solution?
Yeah. So anybody who wants me to check, please give your ID.
Yes, sir. Dibyendu Laha.
Dibyendu. Okay. Our first question.
Yes, sir. First question.
Sir, can you give the link of Replit once again?
It's in the chat.
Sir, I joined late actually. I was in a multi session.
Okay. Okay. Santhana has already pasted it. Please check.
Thank you.
Can you spell Dibyendu?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you spell your ID? Yeah.
Sir, write
Yeah.
LAH, then DIBY.
Dibyendu Laha. Okay. DIB it is.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So what you are doing is you're doing you're writing three commands, so there will be three outputs, right? And neither of these outputs are connected. If you want to do it like this, you can do it. Okay, but
Other
you have
than
to pipe these,
pipe all of this.
and there will be some issue here.
So
What you are doing is dot star. Okay,
yes,
so in your second line,
right.
so your first is correct, so first one is correct, this one is for the first one. All
Yes.
three you are considering all three conditions as different conditions. All three are same.
For all three in same question.
Yeah.
I was confused. It's 3 points. So I thought.
No, for these you have to either you combine all three in one expression, or you pipe all three of these.
Okay.
But even then, if your condition is for the second one, your solution is wrong. Even if you consider this as separate, dot star means any number of characters, right? In your
Right.
second one. So after any number of characters you want R, read hyphen hyphen. So that won't work. So how do you know that this is for group and this is for users? You have to either add exact number of dots. How many dots should be there? 4 dots.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Now here, how many dots will be there?
7.
7 dots. Now you can combine all of these.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it. So now you can combine all of this with a pipe, and that should also work
Okay, sir. Got it.
like this. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Can you see the changes that I am doing on your?
Yes, I am able to see.
Okay, then
Thank you.
either this way, or you can combine all these three in one pattern itself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you please check my solution for problem 2? My replit ID is Nishkarsh.
Just a second. So how many are done with first and second? Do you need the third one, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I am publishing the third one. Just a second. Yeah, so third one is published. Now problem 2 ID
Nishkarsh.
Nishkarsh. Okay, Nishkarsh Sharma. Yes.
Yes, sir. So can we do that in one grep command?
Yes,
Like
you
I
can
have
do that.
used. Yeah, how I am not.
Just add a dot star after your last R. And actually there is a issue here.
What, sir?
In this question, actually, the problem is in the test case, we have not selected the option exact match. It is just a match. That's why any match is succeeding for you.
Okay, sir.
That's the problem.
Oh,
So what was asked in first, what was the first condition? Read and write for user, owner, right?
yeah, for first problem, read and write. Yeah.
Yeah. So the same condition.
Okay, we have to go through same condition.
No, no. Here it is only about second question is only about last modified date is in January.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what were the
What permissions
permissions.
we have given to them.
Yes, yes. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes,
but
sir.
there is one more catch here. The first character of the line, what should it be? Tell me.
So it can be, it can be anything, but not D.
Yes. Incorporate that in your solution.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you check mine?
Problem 2.
No, sir. Problem 1.
Problem 1 name.
Shumishta Shah.
Sumishta. Okay. Yes, perfect.
No, sir, but it's not running.
Why is the slash b? Why is slash b there?
For space.
Huh?
For space.
For space.
Hmm.
Like why are you using it? When you have found the string, why do you need to search for anything else?
Actually, I think it would identify the string perfectly. That's why I put it. Because after other users, there was a space now.
Okay. Okay, so you have given a word boundary condition at the last. Yeah, so this should not be a problem. What if you don't use slash b?
Sir, are you running or?
Yeah, I am running, but your okay. So what has happened here? You have deleted the lsinfo.txt
No, sir.
because in your REPL there's no text in lsinfo.txt.
No, I not removed it.
By mistake, you would have done that. Let me copy paste in your.
Okay. But in shell, I just write it for cdls info, not remove it. I don't know what happened.
Okay, now your solution was correct. It's working.
Yes, sir.
Just let me make it original. Yeah. Okay.
Hi, can you, this is Pooja. Can you check my second one? I don't know what is the error.
This page is problem 2, Pooja. Okay. Okay, so you are combining first question and second question. In the first question, you have been asked for permissions. You don't have to search for only those files that have those permissions. Everybody pay attention here. First question and second question, only the file content is similar, not the problem. The second problem is not in succession of problem one. Got it, guys? Pooja?
Yes, yes, yes.
So remove this, yeah, this one.
So there will be, but we need files. So we don't
Yes,
have-
so try something for that.
But you see, I'm still listing directory. I don't know why.
Because you are not piping. What you are doing is either this or this. Anything is okay. Okay. You either you have to write grep again here. Write grep again.
After
After
this.
pipe. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
But you see,
Got it?
still I'm still.
Yeah,
You
just
have
a
to give
second.
double pipes.
Let me correct Pooja first, then we'll. So no. That pipe is correct. Let that pipe be there.
Have to be single, no? Yeah.
Yeah, let that pipe be there. Now the problem in your code is, okay. Firstly, you are searching for files only.
Yes.
Then
But
you are
I-
searching for gen.
Jen, yes.
Yes.
But you
So
see,
you are getting all the files that has gen in them.
but if you see right side, you said only files.
Okay,
but directory-
directories are also there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Just a second, let me check your solution. Okay.
And you see, this is
So-
not finishing. You know, this. It's
Just a second now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
So
it's not finishing because in the grep, first grep you didn't give the file as option, so it was expecting something to grep on for the first command.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now run it.
Still, you see that it shows directories. It's failing.
Hmm.
But I thought in grep, if we use -e, we can.
No, actually here you have not put a dot. After that, star means
Everything.
yeah.
Because it's two commas.
Okay, got it.
It should run this. No, but just tell me, like, if we use grep just once, is it not possible to do with just one grep?
Yes, you can do it.
So how it will be?
Just combine these two. After dot star, just put January there, gen there.
Okay.
And try it. Okay. Somebody else was saying something.
Yeah, could you check mine one?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me problem
Naveen
number and
Gaur.
name.
Problem number 1, Naveen Gaur.
Problem number 1.
Yeah.
This is page 42. Okay, anybody, somebody else was also saying something. Other than Naveen, somebody else wanted me to check their solution.
What
Yes, sir.
solution?
Problem 3, Manish Kumar.
Problem 3, Manish Kumar. Okay. So all those who have are done with problem 3, switch to problem number 4.
Sir, I have a question. Problem number 3.
Just a second. Let me solve these. Let me check with Naveen, then I will come back to you. Your name?
Rahul, sir. Actually, somebody already posted my problem with problem 3 in the chat. There's some difference in the text file.
Okay, I will come back to you, Rahul. Though, just give me a minute, right? Yeah, and problem 3. Who has a problem with problem 3?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Manish Kumar.
Manish. Okay. Let's start with Naveen. So Naveen, what you are doing is that's enough. Why are you doing cut?
Well, I thought we just want the names.
No, not that.
So let me try to delete the cut. This only up to grep it's fine.
Yes, it's okay.
Just let me check. No, I think it's still failing. Yeah.
So why has anything changed in your file? Yeah, your file is different, lsinfo.txt.
I don't know.
You would have run some command and actually you have run your own ls-al and you have changed the file.
Yeah, initially I thought that one has to run ls-al.
Yeah, so let me just
No, sir. In my case, I have seen in the beginning itself the file content and that this both was different.
yeah, this is different. So that is why he's facing issues. He changed the file.
So it will change for everyone.
No, for him. Everybody
No,
has their own instance.
But in my case also it is the different, and I didn't remove. I just use the cat info text to check that
Now
content.
Okay, is it okay now?
Just let
Naveen?
Yeah, I'm just checking it now. Yeah, now it says okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Didn't
so
realize that
Manish.
it changes. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Manish, we are on problem 3. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So did you pay attention on the first character as capital? Did you
Sir,
do anything for that?
No, sir.
So try to do that. You have to search for that, right? The first character should be capital. Add expression
Oh.
for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, somebody else was also saying something.
Oh yes, sir. File content is the problem here.
So file content is not a problem. You don't have to change the content of the file. The file content output of ls-al is already given in the file. So what Naveen did was Naveen has run ls-al and like redirected the output of his current working directory on Replit to lsinfo.txt, and he has changed the file, the original file. That's why he was facing issues.
So my case it is not coming answer correct.
Your question number?
3. Sir.
Question number 3 name?
Yeah, Kumar Chanda.
Kumar Chanda. We'll come back to you. Rahul, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. Actually, there are two problems that I am facing with problem number 3. One is that the question is asking us to find the number of statements with it, and it is coming out to be 6 for me. And then second thing is that printing something out in the console, actually in the console it comes out correct. Like if I do echo 2, it comes out just 2 itself, but when I run that test case, some extra characters get appended on it so that it the test also fails. So those two problems are there.
Your name? Rahul. Complete name?
Rahul Kurienjekar.
Okay. And problem number 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think my handle is Rahul K. Jacob.
I got it. Yeah. Rahul Kurian Jacob. I got it. Okay. So what was your solution? Can you just change the file again instead of echo 2?
Sorry. 1 moment.
Then we will debug.
Oh, where is my? Sorry, 1 moment.
Yeah, one more person was facing issue with problem 3. Who was that?
I also have
Yes, sir,
problem.
Manish Kumar, sir. Sir, yes,
No,
sir,
no,
there's
after
same
Manish,
problem.
somebody else was also there. Was there anybody?
Kumar, I think. Sir.
Yes, sir. I am also facing issue.
Yes, sir, this is my
Kumar? What's your name? Complete name, Kumar? Your ID?
Yeah, Kumar Chandan. Two.
Kumar Chandan. Kumar Chandan is there. Is Kumar Chandan 2 also here? No. Kumar Chandan is here.
Yes.
Okay. So first, what is Rahul doing?
Sir, I have re-edited it to the previous state that it outputs 6.
So you are not checking anything for the first character to be
Should I
capital.
submit? I didn't submit it.
First
Rahul,
character.
first character should be capital.
Okay. So something like this, because in the it says count the number of lines that contain the word if. Sorry, it, and then that is a small I and small t in the.
Oh, just a
markdown.
second. Just a second. Just everybody close problem number 3.
Okay.
Everybody, please close problem number 3.
Close. Sir.
Yeah, just a second. Actually, there is a problem in problem number 3. Hey, sorry guys. So I will republish problem number 3. I am just let's check now. Is it? I will republish it and let's check if you are getting the updated one. The text was wrong actually. No, so it's not getting updated. Krishnan, you there? Okay, only 6 people have started. So somebody please help here. Just start problem number 3 and tell me your name. A new is a new.
Sir, actually, what exactly do we have to do? Like, I am.
So who have not yet started with problem number 3, just start problem number 3, open it and tell me your name. That's it.
I restarted, but it is showing me the text I already typed there.
Just a second. So somebody,
No, it's not changed. I think it's the same.
no. I am talking about somebody who have not yet started problem number 3 should start.
Okay.
Problem number 3 right now.
So let's do one thing. Everybody, I am sharing the okay, for all those who have opened, I have changed their files. I'm still changing for a few, but for a few of them, I have changed it.
Sir, same problem is that question 4 also.
What is the problem?
That the answer is coming same, the actual output, and in the test cases the square bracket 2k is coming extra from where there it's coming no, but in console the same output is coming whatever the output is expected in the test.
Yes, sir. Same problem for me also.
Yes, sir. Same problem.
And the same problem happened also in that case of the question 3.
Just a second. No, question 3 is a different case.
No, actually I checked that the also coming the same way.
So now people who have already opened question 3, I have changed for those guys. The question, please revisit the question. I will paste the question number 3 in chat window also.
Yeah, yes, sir. It has been changed.
Okay. So this is the actual question number 3. I have pasted in the chat window also. Yeah, Bimlesh, what are you saying? Please help me how to segregate with Gen. I am able to extract content which are not. Yes, so Bimlesh, just add a pattern for anything, any number of characters. What will it be? Something like dot star. Okay. And after that, Gen. Try to do that.
Hello,
in your
sir.
solution. In your solution that you have given.
Got that, sir. Got that. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, sir. For problem 3, now the answer on console is coming right, but on test cases, it's showing extra big bracket 2k on both the end of the line and the starting of the line.
Yes, sir. And same with problem 3 and problem 4 also.
Oh, is it? No, what is the issue with problem 3? I can't understand. Can somebody give his name? We will go.
Sir, my replate name is Nishkarsh.
Nishkarsh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nishkarsh, we'll open your REPL. So everybody please verify your problem 3 with the one that I have given.
Yes, sir. It has been changed.
So now I am opening for Nishkarsh. What's happening? You are saying when you run the test?
Yes, sir. The answer on the console is coming right, but when we run the test, it's showing its actual output. It's showing actual output is big bracket 2k. Second line it's showing again big bracket 2k.
Okay, so what if you run the command here? Here it is showing 2.
Yes, sir.
But when you run this,
In run tests.
and the expected output is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Only 2.
Yes, sir.
So why is this 2k coming? Yes, I have also tried copy pasting. So is this some replit issue? Everybody is facing this? Different output on console and
Yes,
Yes,
told
sir.
that.
Sir, extra characters are being added.
And the text didn't change in my case, so that same thing. 2k bracket 2k is always coming between both side of the result.
just let me check. Is there any other
Yes, sir.
file
In
that
problem
is
3 and problem 4 also.
is there any other file that is being there? There's no file being.
I'm getting answer 2 on this
So did
screen, but it's failing.
is test passing for anybody for problem 3 and 4?
3 not passing.
What is the issue that you are getting?
I'm printing 2, but I see also 2. I printed the lines also, but when I run test, it says failed. Can you check mine? It's Pooja.
Just a second, Pooja. This is some portal issue we are facing.
For problem 4, when I'm trying to fork it, it is showing only published can be forked.
Try refreshing once.
Yeah, when we run here, what happens in test?
So the 2k is visible even in problem 1 and 2.
Now it is visible. Previously it was not, right?
Yes, sir. Previously it was not.
No, I refreshed it and problem 4 is not showing at all.
Yeah, I thought there's some issue with problem. That's why I actually closed that problem. I will republish it, but this is some portal issue that you guys are facing. But how it got started? The same command is giving some other output. For me also, it's happening the same now.
For problem 1 and 2, it was not exact match, right, sir? That's why the test cases passed.
Okay, let's make it match then.
So if you can just set the test cases again.
Okay, no, so the test case, it's expecting exact match and there. Okay. Okay, let's do that same thing again then. Let's not make it exact. Let's keep it match just. For
Which
problem 3.
are you talking about?
For problem 3. So guys, for problem 3, your answer should be 2. If it's just 2, then just leave it and go to the next one. Okay. Doesn't matter if your test case is passing or not.
Okay, sir.
And then you have given 2 options to solve the problem. So if any one of them is doing, it's fine.
2 options. Yeah, that are there. Those are just 2 options. So for problem 3, if you guys want to use only grep, then you can use the -c option. That will give you the count. Yeah, -c option. If you don't want to use that option, you can use WC and pipe.
Okay,
So this
then
is
we
for
don't
problem
need to
3.
use grep if we use WC.
No.
Sir, can you publish the problem 4?
Yes, I have published problem 4. In the chat window, I will paste solutions for problem 1, 2. Are people done with problem 3? I will paste the solution for problem 3 also.
Sir, in problem 4, in test cases, it's showing again 2K, bracket, big bracket 2K, but it's passed this time.
Yeah, I have removed exact.
Okay.
So people, are you good with problem 3? Anybody needs help, or should I paste the solution for problem 3? Anybody wants me to wait? Okay, so I am giving solution for problem 3 also. Now let's go ahead with problem 4. Those who are still working on problem 3, don't check the chat window.
Four is done. Will you publish 5?
Just a second. Let me verify this first. Problem 5.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's passed then. 3 and 4 automatically pass.
Yeah.
My 3 is not passing yet. 4 is passing, but 3 is not passing.
Just a second.
How did you do it?
I've changed the exact match to match. So just don't pay attention on that. So the problem with Replit is in exact match, it is taking 2K. So from somewhere it is appearing, and if I do match, then if there is something else also, it will match. That's why I wanted to do it exact, but in exact we are facing some issues.
No, but I still can't pass it. The question number 3.
Don't worry. For question number 3, if the output is 2, just move on. Is your output 2?
Yes, but you said no. Someone said he can just run it with pass status.
Yes, it's passed.
So I would have changed the match as not exact and just match on his REPL.
Okay.
Okay.
But 4 is passing for me. Only 3 is having issue. Okay.
So 3 answer. What is your answer for 3?
3, I did this grep, and then in bracket I do A to Z, 2 cities.txt, then again pipe, then grep minus E, then in columns it, and then space minus C.
Okay. No, sorry, I didn't hear you. So what is your answer for 3? I am saying.
I'll just post it here. Maybe. Yeah, I
No.
just posted in the chat.
No. What is your output for 3?
2. It's 2.
Yeah, then it's okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Move on.
You have published 5, question number 5.
Okay, I think in question it is written that we need to use only one grip. I think you are using 2 grip.
No, that won't make any change.
Yeah, that's not issue. I have used 2 grep and that is working.
Yes. So that is the issue with REPL. So exact and match. There are 2 options. Okay. So now I am publishing question number 5. Question number 5 has been published. Okay, guys. So, any issues with problem number 5? Am I disconnected? Somebody please speak something.
No, we can hear you.
Okay, thanks.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you check my problem 5? Actually, it's giving error, syntax error, but I think I have done the other problems also. This one is right. Can you just check once? I'm giving my that Replit ID, sir, in the chat.
Just name, tell me your name.
Sir, Amit Chakraborty, AMIT. Yes, sir. Can you
Okay,
check
Amit. I got it. You're getting exit status 1.
Yes, sir. I am also facing some similar issue like that.
Yes, I think there is issue, sir.
Okay, so in question number 5.
Yes, sir.
So there's one issue, not related to the one that I'm debugging, not related to Amit Chakraborty. But the thing is that just pay attention that every line ends with a comma. So take care of that also.
Okay.
So the question should have been should end with S and comma. Should have been S and comma is there. That comma is inside the bracket. That has there's a typo in problem number 6. Okay. The S and comma should be together. Everybody. For problem number 6, I am typing there's a very small typo, very, very small. The comma is outside quotation. It should be inside quotation. Okay, everybody, for problem number 6. Now, what Amit is facing is something else. Your command is not running at all.
Yes, sir. Previously, it was running for all other questions.
Okay, so why is it not running? Because no, it's running now, Amit.
So see, exit status 1 in the
Yeah,
console.
exit status 1 because it is not returning anything.
Okay, okay. But when I run the tests, let me run it once. It's failed, so I ran the test also that time. So should I try more and then come?
Yeah, you keep trying. No issues.
Okay, okay. So
Hello,
the
sir.
everything is absolutely fine, right? That's what I want to confirm.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Is the portal okay? That's what I want to confirm.
Yeah, portal, everything is okay.
Okay, sir.
You do you have the file?
But sir, in
You-
output, in the actual output, what is there? It is that also something is there which is not end with the S.
Yes, sir. Only cat and the file name gives the past. Everything else, like the correct thing that
Actually,
if you-
somebody else
Yeah.
has configured this. Let me just check what is being configured.
Disappear also comes.
So we are talking about problem number 6.
Yes, sir. That line also comes which is not end with the S comma. So if you don't use the any grep, simply display the cat file name, then it is passing.
It's 5, sir, week 5. Sorry, problem number 5.
Problem number 5 or 6?
Yeah, actually, sir, it is problem number 5, but it's showing it is the problem number 6.
Inside.
Yes, you just gave that as a 5, but it is inside. It is showing it is problem 6.
Okay, inside problem 5, there's a statement as problem 6.
Correct. Yes.
Okay, okay, got it. So actually, it is the other way around. Mhm. You guys should ignore, I think, this one. Problem number 6. Let's ignore problem number 6. Those who have done 5.
There is a 2 problems, sir. Question 5 has also question number 6 inside, and question 6 also question number 6 is there. Both has the same numbering inside.
Yes. So question number 6, I think we'll have to. Okay, so everybody just ignore problem number 5. We have better questions down the 5.
Sir, I can't access problem number 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah, just a second. Actually, somebody else is configured. I will just verify problem number 6 and I will republish it. One using cut to display only. Yeah,
Sir,
this
I
one
did
is
problem
correct.
number
This
6.
one is correct. This one is correct. Problem
I
number
have
6 is.
submitted problem number 6, but
Yeah,
Yes,
after
sir.
that I
It's
can't
correct
access
only.
now.
Yeah, problem number 6 now. Everybody ignore problem 5. Go to problem number 6. Yeah. Yeah, apologies for that. So there was some issue in problem number 5.
So could you look at my problem 4?
Okay, so what is the problem with problem number 4?
I've done it using dash V. I just want to know how to do it without using dash V.
Okay, so people, problem 6 and problem 7, start working on that. And your name for problem number 4?
So Cherian George.
Okay, Cherian KJ G.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me check the question. What is it? Okay, so that does not contain the word V. Yeah, so what is the issue you are facing?
So no issue, it passed everything. I just want to do it without using dash V flag.
Okay.
So can you give me a solution without dash V?
Yeah. Combine. Just a second, let me check. You have to combine. Let me try. So Cherian, square bracket is not for a word boundary. It is for options like.
Yeah, I know slash B is for word boundary, but how do you put slash B inside the square bracket?
So slash B inside the word bracket will be assumed as one option, either slash B or other letters.
Okay, it's working with dash V anyway. So maybe in the future weeks we'll learn some other ones.
Yeah. So there sir has not discussed, there are some options like, so it will work on this or not, that I have to check. So there's some negative look ahead kind of thing. See if you can use that negative look ahead instead of -v.
Okay, sir. I'll try.
So something, it will be something like this. Let me try what is the output of this. Yeah. So people, have you done, are you done with problem 6?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody needs help?
6 or 7, sir?
6.
You published 7 also, no?
Yes, I have published 7 also.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yes, sir. Both of them.
I have pasted solution for 6 also.
Where is the solution, sir?
In chat window.
No, sir, it's not visible.
Yeah, not getting.
For problem number 6, you are not getting anything in chat window?
No, sir. None of the solution.
Not for any problem. Not for any problem, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, I have. Can anybody see? Problem 4 solution is there. Problem 6 solution I have
No,
pasted
sir.
in chat. Nobody can see that?
No, sir.
What's happening? I can see on my.
In Zoom chat or Replit chat, sir?
Zoom chat.
No, sir.
Can you select, sir, everyone in the chat window? Maybe someone private it went.
Okay, it is going to host.
Yes, yes. Then you have select everyone there, then it will come.
Okay. Now should I pay? Do I have to paste it again? I think yes. Yes, none of the solutions were going to you guys actually. Now can you guys see?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir.
What's the difference between, sir, double square bracket colon upper and the inside single square bracket A to Z?
Inside single bracket A to Z.
Yeah, so we can also
It will give
reject.
the same results.
Yes. Is that any difference between that?
I have not experienced that. It is just you are given a thing that you can use.
Okay.
Here you cannot add anything else more directly. There you can add.
Yes. So in the maybe in the case of performance or something.
That I don't know.
So is there any more problem?
Okay, so yeah, is everybody done with 7 also?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so problem 8 and 9.
Sir.
Problem 8 is
Yes.
published. Okay, so there are some instructions in main.sh file in problem number 8. Pay attention to that. So for guys, for problem number 7, use sort -r to sort in reverse order. Anybody wants me to look at their solutions for problem number 7?
It is not written, sir, that the file content we have to append or the completely remove or write that.
You just have to create that file. There's no such file, I think.
No, there is a line 9 already. It is file cat something is there and something
So
is
that
there.
is for verifying. You don't have to remove that line. Do not remove the line below. It's written.
So the content I can remove inside that, no?
Inside the file?
Yeah, cat continent dot text. Some name is there already. Continent name.
Actually, that file should have been deleted while testing. It was still there.
Okay, so we don't have to care 9, no?
No.
Okay.
Sir, published 9 also.
Yeah, we will start with 9 and 10. Just a second.
So in problem number 8, we have to delete that cat content.txt line.
Yeah.
In problem number 8, do we have to delete the cat content.txt line?
Yes. Actually, that was left due to testing.
It is written that do not remove the lines below. That's why I've asked.
Yeah. Don't remove that line. That is for checking. But that file you should remove before that. Just go and click on 3 dots and remove it before running your command.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, did you unpublish problem 8?
Yeah, I have removed the file and I have now published it again. For those who have not yet opened, they will not see the file. Okay, please complete problem number 8 fast. I want to pay more attention on problem 9 and 10.
So have you published 9 and 10?
No, not yet. So guys, there's some issue. I don't know, it's with Repted or something. The exact match is not working because of that 2K thing that you guys were seeing. So that's why the output yeah, so that's why everything today is working only with match. Okay, but it will pass for if you print anything else also. So that's what I was trying to avoid it, but I cannot do that. So I am going ahead only with match. I will tell you what the output should be, and that only should be your output. Okay.
Output is coming correct. Only the test cases 2K is extra.
Yes, so that's why if you guys want to pass the test case, I have made it as match, not exact match. It is just kind of a superset subset kind of thing. So that way things will work and your test cases will pass. But if you print anything extra also, then also your test cases will pass. That I was not desiring, but I'm unable to do that. There's some bug or something. They would have updated their system now, because some time back exact match was passing. Now it is not passing. Okay, so I'm publishing question number 9 and 10. So those are very similar. So start with question number 9. Now I think you guys have got good at graph after solving these. So a lot of doubts are not there. So problem number 9 is actual scenario where programmers use grep for searching in projects. So for example, they want to search for some function call. Like they want to search if this function call is what are the files that are calling this function. Okay. So it is a similar kind of problem. They want to search what are the callers, what are the callee of some function. So they actually, a lot of people use grep for some complex searches. So there are tools like cscope and other tools for managing searching in projects. But even then people tend to use egrep for some complex searches. So in this problem number 9, what you have to search is you have to search for all the files that have the exact string plus the character. The line should have end with that character, and in between there cannot be anything other than spaces. And the number of spaces should also be either 1 or more than that. 0 space is also not considered as correct. See the example, you will understand. Now in this problem, this is the problem number 9, where you will find that egrep will give you something better, and in grep you will get something better. So one difference I will tell you, that if you want to search for parenthesis in egrep, you will have to use the escape character along with that. But in grep you won't. But in grep you will have to do something else for one or more, and that would be easier in egrep, one or more. Your answer should be 7.cpp, 8.cpp, and 9.cpp, and nothing else for problem number 9. Anybody got the solution? Okay, a lot of people are working on problem number 9. So firstly, to solve people, everybody, all of you are doing ls minus l. Everybody pay attention here for problem number 9. So in grep you have used file names, right? Instead of file name you can directly use start.cpp. You don't have to do ls minus l, and then you don't have to work on those file names, because that would be another problem. If you do ls minus l and grep star.cpp, your grep will run only on the output of ls minus l, not on the contents of those files. So for that, either you will have to take the output in a file and run some script, and for each file you will have to run grep. Better directly, instead of giving the file name that you were doing in the previous questions, use star.cpp as the file name. So it will consider all the files with the extension .cpp. .cpp is the actual extension for files used in C++ projects. Okay. So pattern, you guys search for the pattern. I am pasting in the chat window.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one doubt. In question, it is said that ends with the character open flower bracket. Is it not will be closed flower bracket?
No. So that is how a function definition starts in C++. If you have, any of you would have worked in C++, that is how function definition starts. There you start open flower bracket.
But
Then
in
you write
question
the
it is
definition of the function. Yeah.
yes, sir. But in question it is said ends with the character.
Yes, ends with open flower bracket.
Yes. Oh, you want to tell that void main?
Okay, there is an example. In example, there is something wrong. No, example is correct, right? I have given a right example. No issues. Yeah. So your the line should end with open flower bracket.
Oh, then you are telling for first line, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I have given 2 characters in between. It doesn't mean in the same sequence. Between these 2 characters, the closing parenthesis after main, and after that there is a opening parenthesis. See the example, you will understand. So for problem number 9, use grep your regex. I am pasting something in chat. Okay. Anybody able to solve problem number 9, guys? Anybody? So Divendu, you are very close. What you are doing is 0 or more. In the question it is asked, it is 1 or more. So just if you guys have seen the videos, do you know what the plus sign is used for in graph, egraph?
One and more.
One and more. Okay, so try to make use of plus. And please pay attention on the space thing. It is about just searching about spaces, one or more spaces. It cannot be one or more any character. Otherwise 6.cpp will also be printed. Dibendu, you are searching for any character. The question asks for space only, not any character.
Okay, sir.
Please pay attention of this on this question. I have some question in mind. You will get a question in continuation to this question in later sessions. Even in your later assignments, when you will be able to write scripts, when scripts will be discussed, so something more will come to this question where you will have to write the script, not just a one line answer. Okay guys, so one more hint, have you so like for upper, for lower, there is some something we have something for space and blank, sir has discussed in the first lecture itself of pattern matching.
Sir, it's space.
Yes, I don't remember the exact keyword. What do we call these things?
Character classes.
Character bars, yes.
So I'm getting 5, 7, 8, 9 for problem 9.
Name?
Cherry and George.
Problem number is this page for problem 9. Yes. I will have to refresh this. Hey guys, so I've given you three things that will be used. First is use star.cpp. Second is use character parsers for space, and better to use for blank. Not for not space. Better use blank. That will include tab and space both. And third thing is with egrep you can use plus. Without egrep you will have to write character parser twice. Okay. One is for first match and second is any number more than one. Okay, George.
I got it now. It's 5, 7, 9. Sorry, 7, 8, 9.
So what are you doing here? You are adding a space here. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So you have done with egrep.
Yes.
Okay. Try
But
question number
tests
10.
don't pass. The test is not passing because of the 2K problem again.
Is it an exact match?
No. It is just that, yes, exact match 2K thing is there.
Okay. Don't worry about exact match. There's some issue with REPL. I don't know what's happening. Just pay attention. Don't pay attention on running and passing your test cases. The output should be files 7.cpp, 8.cpp, and 9.cpp. I'm putting the output in chat. Guys, anybody need help with problem number 9? Okay. So I'm pasting the solutions for problem number 9 and 10. So 10 is just something new that you can learn. That's it. In 10, problem number 10, it's nothing is special. So problem number 10 will teach you how to output how to redirect your output to a screen also, as well as to the pipe, to the next command. Okay. So I have pasted two solutions for problem number 9. One is using grep and one is without using grep. In case of grep, you don't have to escape the parenthesis, but you have to use the blank. You have to specify blank twice. One is for one, because it is one or more instances. You cannot specify use plus in grep, but you can use plus in egrep, but there you will have to escape the parenthesis. That's the difference. And in problem number 10, just use t/def/tty. It will redirect the output to terminal also. Then you can use pipe and take the output in the next command also. Problem number 11 is published, and that is that you cannot practice on Replit. So that you will have to practice on your local machines. Okay. Problem number 11 solution I am not posting here. We will post it along with the solution files that we will add in supplementary content. Okay, guys. Any questions? Go ahead now, because we are very close to closing the session. Okay, Sumishta, you are very close. I'm seeing your rep. Yeah, so what you are doing, Sumishta, is dot star. Just remove the dot star after main. What do you want to search after main? One or more, right?
Yes, sir.
So what if you add a star after blank? It will be 0 or more. Okay. So if you want to do it with grep, just add the blank once more and add a star after that.
Blank once more.
Yeah, the same thing you can copy once more. Yeah. The blank. Copy paste it there itself. And after second blank, add a star. No, not after first, after second. Even after first, it will work. It should work even after first. But it will be difficult for you to understand.
Okay, sir.
What does this mean? Can you see what I've selected?
Yes, sir. So there will be 2 or more blank space.
No,
after
one or
blank.
more. One or more.
But
this means 0 or more, right?
oh, yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So instead of a star, you could have even used plus. If you would have used egrep, then you will have you would have to write only once blank.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you yeah. Did you run this?
Yes, it's run.
So why is it not running? What's happening?
It's showing running, but not stop.
Okay, why?
Failed.
No, it's just because there was no space between star.cpp. Okay, run it now. It was expecting some input from you.
Yes.
And this cut is not required.
Okay, but still passed.
Yes, it passed. This cut is not required because there's nothing to cut. There are not more than one field. If you are delimiting it based on colon, there's no colon in each line, so it won't do anything. Okay. Okay. So now try to write it with egrep.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So sir, should I cut the last thing?
Yes, you can. No issues.
Okay.
Okay, Shekhar. Hey, Shekhar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you are very close. You have just made one. It should be one or more. What should you do for one or more? What is for 0 or more? Add that again. Add something that signifies 0 or more blanks. Okay.
Just another blank.
Yes, you can add blank one more, then it will become twice. I'm saying what will signify 0 or more. Yeah, you are doing it right. Add one more blank. What does this give? 2 or it gives exact 2, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now add star in front of any one of the blanks. What will that tell you?
Okay, sir, got it.
So what does this mean? Okay, this part means 0 or more. Okay, and this means exactly 1. This means exactly 1, right, Shekhar?
Yes, sir.
This
Only
means
one
exactly 1
exactly
and this means 0 or 1. So 1 plus 0 or more means 1 or more.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So either you if you use egrep, you can use plus, just plus in ahead of blank. Then you won't have to write blank twice. See the answer in chat window with egrep. You will understand. Okay. Or try it yourself. Nice. I am seeing a lot of solutions, working solutions for question number 9. I think, yeah, this is good actually. Okay, guys. So I can see a lot of people have solved question number 9. So I think it's time we can close the session now. If anybody has anything, just tell me if any doubts, or we are closing the session.
So just one doubt before going.
Yeah.
Sir, in that for problem number 11, the hint is saying we should use DKPG. Or should it be DKPG or should it be DKPG query? Because in the lecture, DKPG query was used.
DPKG?
DPKG query / query.
/ query?
Yeah, that was used in the lecture, lecture 4.4.
Just a second, let me check.
Because sir used that along with grep to display the section and the binary package.
Okay. Just a second. Yeah, you can use DPKG query. That would be better, but you can use DPKG also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Happy learning. So good day for today. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye bye, guys.
Thank you, sir. Bye.